Just for proof, first gear. Oh my word. Well, here we go. Oh, she's a little loud, man. It sounds amazing whenever I start it up and let it idle like that, but when I get down on it, it sounds terrible. So we're gonna be doing the clutch, putting the cats back in, and just making it a clean little street car. We got Slant Enough Destin coming up in Florida, and me and Jeremiah are rolling down there with our girlfriends, so it's gonna be a good time. We're good so far, and I'm on the gas right now in first gear, and we're going nowhere. Just for proof, first gear. Oh my word. Oh, that's, look. Oh, it's just dropping, dude. This is bad. I'm gonna flip it around real quick. Oh, you can just hear it stir all up in there. Something don't sound good. Oh, I'm shredding something. I'm sorry. Oh, all burnt clutch, baby. Oh, I'm sorry, car. Oh, I'm hyped, guys. I'm driving my damn drift car and I'm filming YouTube videos. I'm a little excited, I'll be honest. Oh, we got a red light. We've got a red light. Well, we made it off the red light, baby. This is terrible. I'm just gonna cruise at about 55, 6,000 RPM. We've made it to the shop and the car's in one piece, we hope. We're gonna check the damage out when we get it up and have that transmission out of it. All right, now we go home. We'll see y'all later.